Hi there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trixie. Okay, so we all know that Christmas is coming up. I think it's about 45 days or less than 45 days before Christmas. So yeah, to kick off my Christmas videos, I've decided to take you guys along with me to Dollar Tree so that we can take a look at the decorations that they're selling there. I love going there, especially for the holidays, because they have so much nice stuff and everything's so affordable. Also, it kind of sparks my creativity when I'm there, especially for DIYs, because I know that everything's so cheap and like if I mess up, it's okay. It's such a perfect store for a lot of DIYs. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to see all the colorful stuff that they have there right now. I know a lot of you are already decorating for Christmas, or most of you have already decorated for Christmas. But yes, I'm one of those few people who live in the US but who decorate for Christmas early. I mean, I grew up in the Philippines, and in the Philippines, Christmas starts on September. I'm not even kidding, you can research. It's the so-called Burr months. So that's BER months, that's September, October, November, and December. So everyone celebrates Christmas for all those months. And decorations don't go down until I think mid-January. But yeah, I really love that about Philippines. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you live in the US and you don't have access to a Dollar Tree near you, you can also shop on their website. The only thing is that their website usually doesn't have everything that's in the store. Usually in the website, I think you have to buy in bulk for most of the items. So yeah, I'm excited to see their decorations. Let's go.